If you're a Doctor Who fan, then you know that the Daleks are a race of mutant hybrids with crispy shells and chewy centers from the planet Skaro, who are determined to conquer the entire universe. And my virginity just grew back. But there are obstacles in the way of their evil scheme, including one who's not allowed on the couch or she won't get a sausage. But let's see how this epic match ended up, shall we? She's okay, kids. The dog's okay. She just went to live on a farm with the 10 previous Doctor Whos.